Welcome back, my home cooks. This is Chopping and Grilling with your boy KC. Today we got something special. We're gonna be doing some honey baked ham. Yeah, you ain't gotta go out and go buy one. You can do it yourself. I'm about to show you how to make your own honey baked ham at the house. I'm gonna show you how to do the little honey bake, the sauce and everything like that, and let's get into the ingredients so I can show you what to do. All right, so this is a little spiral ham. Get ready to put it in the oven on 250 degrees for about an hour, hour and a half. Let it cook down, and then, in the next part, we're actually going to be hooking up the glaze. So we're going to get into that next, hook up the glaze. So when it's done, I'm going to re-glaze it, and I'm going to show you the next steps I'm going to do. So this is about, how many pounds is this? This is about an 8-pound ham. So 12 minutes, each pound, so that's where we get the time from. So, 12 minutes each pound, on 250 degrees, and then we're gonna go to the next step. All right, so we're gonna make the glaze, the little mustard honey glaze, for it. So all we do is just, I got a cup of brown sugar. So you need brown sugar. Then you add in the mustard, into the ingredients and stuff like that. You can eyeball it however much you want, depending on how sweet you want it. I like a lot of mustard on mine. It's not gonna look mustardy once you mix up the ingredients. This came with the ham. You can use it. I know we use a little bit of it because it has a lot of spices in it, that are great for your ham, that you don't have to go to the store and buy, stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. A lot of the hams already have these ingredients in it and stuff like that, so you can just add that in. Next, what you do is, I just open the pineapples. You add a little bit of pineapple juice that comes with the pineapples that I'm gonna be incorporating in my ham and stuff like that. So use probably kind of a half a cup, to pour on it and stuff like that. And then last but not least, add you some honey. This one always brings it all together. So, add some honey in there. Say about, half a cup of honey. It's a pretty big ham. So, and then just get to mixing your ingredients in and stuff like that. So, just mix it up, And this is what we're gonna pour on top of the ham after the ham is actually fully done in the oven and stuff like that. And then we're gonna raise the temperature up, to finish glazing the ham. This is a pretty good recipe. This is something I had put together, a while ago. I like a little honey mustard, glaze on my ham. Sometimes if it ain't nothing left on the ham, I might make me a little batch and put in there and put on top to make a good old, ham sandwich and stuff like that. But that's all it is, guys. It's pretty much done and ready for the ham when it's done. And we're gonna get over to the ham to glaze. All right, so after it was done for about an hour, now we're gonna add in the glaze on top of stuff like that. You see, I added a little, if you want to decorate it or put a little pineapple. I like to do pineapple, stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is pour the glaze in, the glaze on it. You just place it through, pour it through. Actually go in the cracks and stuff. Spread it, make sure it's all the way in there. Save a little towards the end. I'm gonna add it back in, and then stick it in the oven. Turn your oven up on 375 degrees, and then let it caramelize. Now that the ham is done and finished out of the oven, being glazed and everything like that, it's perfectly done and everything like that. You see the little black, or little the dark parts and stuff like that. That's the sugar caramelizing around the ham. You see that the pineapples are cooked through. We're gonna pour a little sauce on it. You know how it is. Got to throw that little sauce on it to make it look sexy, guys. But this is how you make a honey baked ham. and it's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? And hope you enjoyed it because, you know, I know that we in the holidays, so you know everybody likes ham, and you know, and this would be great with around the family and everything like that serving. So if you have any questions or you know any comments regarding it, definitely leave a comment below in the comments. So you know I could you know love folks critiquing it and all and everything like that. But I hope you enjoyed it, and you know, see you next time. Thanks for stopping by, Chopping and Grilling with your boy KC. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you later, guys. See you in the next dish.